Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today we're going to show you how to install your Xpedition grill insert. First you want to start by removing the grill. To remove the grill, you turn these wing nuts counterclockwise, pull the grill out and lift up. Now that you have your grill removed, you can go ahead and replace it with your Thumper Fab grill. Insert your 1/4 inch bolt. On the back side you have your fender washers and a 1/4 inch nut. You'll do that on all 4 corners. Now you want to snug all your bolts. You do not have to over tighten them. Now all you have to do is put your grill back in.